This video is sponsored by Canto.
Excellent. Hi everyone, my name is Bart, and this is not just the name of my tip, it's also my message to the other tip presenters here. So my tip is called End of the Line, and the reason it's called that is because my tip is about how to control the length of a line, the end of the line, when you are applying this to a certain paragraph. So imagine I have to format quotes for a magazine, newspaper, whatever it might be, but I have to control the length of that line. Now obviously I could just draw the line like this here and then have it like as an anchored object and whatever, you know, but I want this to be part of a style. So I want to apply that style, that line pops up everywhere, etc. Now how would you go about doing this? The line should be exactly 80 millimeters. Okay? Now, the thing is that this quote can grow and can shrink depending on the amount of text, depending on where I want to put this in the layout, you know. So this is a variable. Now, the problem is if I were to go ahead in here and use something like paragraph rules, switch on the paragraph rule, and then I have some offset here which will move it outside of the frame, I should probably be able to play around with the indent just to kind of push this inward until I have like more or less like 80 millimeters, right? I'm just going to choose OK just for now. But look what happens. If I start to change the size of the frame, it's all messed up. So this is a problem. I could maybe say, you know, maybe it should be based on the text, but the text is going to change, so it's not really going to work. So how do you fix this? It should be part of a style. So no one cell table stuff, you know. What we do is the following. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to reset this. I'm going to say this should be 0. And the trick to accomplish this is by making sure that we go into the stroke panel, create a new stroke style, choose new. I'm going to call this one 80 millimeter line, and make sure that the pattern length is a lot larger than what you would ever encounter. So let's say it's going to be 300 millimeters. And now you just enter the size of that line, choose OK, choose OK. You come in here, you go back to the paragraph rules, you go and get that 80 millimeter line. Oh, I forgot to set one setting, which is this. It should be set to none. And now, as you can see, this is a perfect 80 millimeter line that is always going to be that, regardless of the amount of text and the length of the frame. There you go, and the line.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.